How can animals hear sounds humans can't? Imagine a world where sounds are not limited to what your ears can pick up. Some animals can hear things that are completely silent to us. This is because their ears and brains are built differently, allowing them to detect a wider range of sound frequencies. Humans usually hear sounds from about 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, with the most sensitive range around 3,000 Hz. But many animals can perceive sounds far beyond that. Dogs and cats, for example, can hear up to 60,000 Hz. That means they can pick up ultrasonic sounds, which are above the range of human hearing. This is why dog whistles, which emit high-frequency sounds, are silent to us but loud to dogs. Their ears have more muscles than ours, sometimes up to 18 compared to our 6, which helps them move and aim their ears precisely to catch faint sounds. The shape and length of their ear canals also help amplify these high frequencies, making them excellent at detecting distant or quiet noises. Bats are even more specialized. They can hear frequencies over 120,000 Hz. They use this ability for echolocation, emitting ultrasonic calls and listening for echoes bouncing off objects. This helps them navigate in complete darkness and hunt insects with incredible precision. Their auditory systems are finely tuned to process these high pitches, which are impossible for humans to perceive. Mice are another example. They can hear from around 1,000 Hz up to 90,000 Hz. Their large ears relative to their body size help them pick up ultrasonic calls used for communication and alerting each other to danger. These high-frequency sounds are beyond human hearing but vital for their survival. Elephants, on the other hand, can detect very low-frequency sounds called infrasound, as low as 14 Hz. These sounds travel long distances through the ground and air, allowing elephants to communicate over miles. This ability is crucial for coordinating movements and social interactions in their vast habitats. All these differences come from how animals' ears are built and how their brains process sound. The cochlea, a spiral-shaped part of the inner ear, contains sensory cells that detect different frequencies. Animals have more or specialized sensory cells that allow them to hear a broader spectrum. Their neural pathways are also adapted to interpret these sounds effectively. Understanding this helps us see that hearing is not just about detecting sound but about how well the auditory system is tuned to specific frequencies. Humans have a narrower hearing range, which is why age-related hearing loss often affects higher frequencies first. This loss makes it harder to hear sounds above 8,000 Hz, which are already near our upper limit. Knowing that animals can hear beyond our range reminds us how incredible biological adaptations are. It also highlights the importance of protecting our hearing, especially the higher frequencies, since our hearing is more limited. That's why sounds like dog whistles are inaudible to us but perfectly clear to animals. Their ears are designed for different needs, not because we are deficient. In short, animals hear sounds humans can't because their ears and brains are specialized for detecting a wider or different range of sound frequencies. They can perceive ultrasonic sounds that are too high for us and infrasonic sounds that are too low for us. This biological diversity shows how evolution shapes sensory systems to fit each species, environment, and survival needs. If you want to protect your hearing, remember that our hearing range is limited, and taking care of it is essential for staying connected to the world around us. Always consult healthcare professionals if you have concerns about your hearing health.